I open my book. I open my book. I read one page. I read one page. I write in my notebook. I write in my notebook. I study English every day. I study English every day. I ask a question in class. I ask a question in class. I listen to my teacher. I listen to my teacher. I repeat the sentence. I repeat the sentence. I do my homework. I do my homework. I sit at my study table. I sit at my study table. I use a pen to write. I use a pen to write. I learn new words. I learn new words. I read slowly. I read slowly. I focus on my book. I focus on my book. I practice English speaking. I practice English speaking. I open my notebook. I open my notebook. I study in the evening. I study in the evening. I take notes in class. I take notes in class. I revise my lesson. I revise my lesson. I ask my friend for help. I ask my friend for help. I complete my work. I complete my work.